Good evening. Good evening, Ben. Hello. Good evening, Ben. Welcome to our class. Can you hear teacher? Yes, hello. Good evening, Ben. Can you hear teacher? Can you see me? Hello. Good evening. Hello, Ben. Oh, welcome, Ben. Welcome to our class. Can you see and hear teacher?
Hello, teacher. Oh, sorry.
All right, it's okay. Okay. Right. Again, welcome, Ben.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. Now, Ben, are you now ready for our class? All right, let's go. Okay, Ben, look at the picture. What sport is Timmy playing?
He's running.
Yes, it seems like he is running and he is holding a racket. Yes. Now, Ben, let's read the title of our lesson for today. Hey, you're cheating. Yes, hey, you're cheating. All right, now, Ben.
Cheating is not good.
Yes, it's not good, right? Now let's do this activity, Van. What games do you play with your friends?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Oh, yes, you hide and your friends will seek you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to find you.
That's right. You should hide in a count of 5 or else you will be the one. Okay. Now.
Oh no! Oh, just like this. Look. This is my bed.
Oh,
Under
it's you hide under your bed. Oh
Yes.
no. They can't find you there.
Yes, they can't find you.
That's clever.
Look at me.
Okay, let me see you. Oh, careful. Be careful.
Oh.
Oh, be careful, man.
Look, I'm here.
Oh, you really fit under the bed. Oh, we cannot see Van. Van is hiding under the bed. Okay. All right, be careful. All right, so you play hide and seek. Wow, that's amazing. Now, Ben, let's learn some new words, okay? We have our first word. Okay, what is it? Let's read. Rocket. Yes. What is a racket? A net fixed to a frame with a handle
that is used in
various sports.
for hitting a ball.
Yes, so this one is an example of a racket, the one the boy is holding. Okay, now let's read. The boy is holding.
The boy is holding a tennis racket.
Correct. Now, Van, look at the two pictures. Which sport uses a racket? Is it a basketball or a badminton? Yes, it's a badminton. Correct. Very good. Now, let's have our second vocabulary. Oh, no. Cheat. Yes. To act in a
dishonest way to get what you want.
Good. So now, let's read the sentence. The girl cheats.
The girl cheats on the exam.
Yes. Yes, so why is cheating dishonest?
What is
Because
what is this one mean?
Why is cheating? Oh, dishonest, meaning it's not fair. Okay, dishonest. Okay, let me type it. Okay. Yes, it means that you are doing something wrong. It's not right or it's not fair. Okay.
I think
it's because it's not a right thing to do. Yes. When you want to get something, you should act properly.
You
Right. Yes, not by cheating. Yes, not in a dishonest way. All right. Very good. Now, Ben, let's have our third vocabulary. Lose.
lose.
Yes.
What is lose?
Lose means to fail to win in a game or a competition. Yes, you are not the winner. Okay, so this one, let's read the sentence. Mike doesn't
want to lose his next boxing match.
yes,
He'll
train.
train more.
Very good. So now, Van, look at the two pictures. We have Anne and Tina. Who lose the race? Is it Anne or is it Tina?
Tina.
Yes, correct. Tina lose the race and then Anne is the winner. Okay, now let's have our fourth vocabulary, Van. Correct.
Correct.
Yes, correct.
To make a mistake right.
Right. Now the teacher.
Now the teacher corrects the
Mistake.
mistake on the blackboard.
Very good. Now, Van, look at this sentence. Can you correct the mistake in this sentence? He's Cindy. He is
Timmy.
very good. Very good. You corrected. Very good, Van. Correct. He is Timmy. Now, Van, let's learn the use of the phrase over and over again. Okay? Now, let's read the sentence first. When something happens,
When something happens over and over, it repeats many times.
yes, so when something happens over and over again, it repeats many times. Okay. Now look, Cindy practices her dance over and over again. Okay, so she dances many times. Now, let's have this activity. Okay, look, we can see many alarm clock. This morning,
the
alarm
clock ran over and over again.
Right, wow, perfectly said. Okay, the alarm clock rang over and over again. Very good, Ben. Now, let's read the passage. One day, Timmy and his classmates
played a new game called tennis
relay.
Yes. The players were told to balance a tennis ball on a racket and then run to their teammates and pass one ball. The team that got to the first line first would win.
Good, thank you, Ben, for reading. Now, so one day, this Timmy and his classmates played a new game called a tennis relay. Okay. Now, what was the name of the game?
Tennis relay.
Very good. That's right. Now, let's continue. If the ball
fell off the racket, the player needed to go back and start again. It was not easy for the children. The balls fell off over and over again, making the kids run back and forth. They were tired, but they really enjoyed it.
Yes, very good. Good reading, Van. So they need to balance the ball, okay, and avoid the ball falling. Yes, in the racket, or else they will start and go back over and over again. Okay, now, what did they need to do if the ball fell off? They need to start.
What? Oh, they need
start.
I see. They need to go back and start again.
Yes, that's right. So the player needed to go back and start again. Very good. Now, let's continue, Ben. When it was Timmy's turn.
When it was Timmy's turn, he put the ball into his racket, but it fell off, so he held the racket with his right hand and the ball with his left hand, and then he started to run. "No cheating, Timmy!" shouted Fred. "You shouldn't hold the ball."
Yes. So this is Timmy. When the ball fell off the racket, what did Timmy do? What did he did? He hold the ball, and then Fred shouted, "No cheating, Timmy! You shouldn't hold the ball." Yes. So why did Fred say Timmy was cheating? Because
he held the racket with his right hand and the ball with his left hand.
Correct. Very good. Now let's continue. Timmy.
Timmy put the ball back onto the racket and ran forward quickly, but then he realized that we should go back and start again. Everybody began to cheer for him. "Go for it, Timmy!"
Yes, that's right. So Timmy again put the ball back onto the racket and ran forward quickly. But he realized that he should go back from the start again. Okay, now let's continue, Ben. As it took quite long for Timmy to finish.
And it took quite long for Timmy to finish. His team lost the game. Timmy felt a little upset and said sorry to the other kids. But the other kids thought he did a great job because he corrected his mistakes. mistakes and stop it cheating.
Yes, wow. So although Timmy or their team lost the game, Timmy felt a little upset and said sorry to the other kids. But the other kids thought he did a great job because he corrected his mistakes and he stopped cheating. All right, very good. Now, Van, let's practice what we've learned. Let's do this activity. Complete the sentences with the right word. We use
what?
Is it the first word or the second word? We use a blank to play.
We use a racket to play tennis.
Very good.
The boy cheats during the
Exam.
exam.
Okay.
The boys don't want to lose the basketball game.
That's right, correct. And the answer is wrong. What is that? What's that, Van?
I don't know. Look, I don't know how to say. It can. What can I?
Do you have a flu? Are you feeling?
No.
Are you feeling unwell?
I don't know how to say.
Let type it in the chat box. You can type it. And then let me see if I can.
Wait a minute, okay.
Okay.
Wait me. Thank you.
Okay.
In China, it means this one.
Okay, may I see?
Oh, wait me. Oh, I want to say to you, but I don't know how to say.
Okay, that is your task. Okay, next meeting. Okay, say it to me. Okay, don't forget. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, that is. Oh, the answer is wrong. You need to.
You need to correct it.
Very good, Van. Perfect. Now next, complete the sentence. Talk about how to play tennis relay. First, you have to
balance a tennis ball on a racket.
That's right, correct. Next, then you have to
run to your teammate and pass the ball.
Very good. If the
ball falls off, you need to go back and start again.
Good. And the team will get, or that gets to
the team will get to the First line, first well, finish line.
Yes, finish line first will win. Very good, Van. Now, Van, let's have a writing preparation. What sport or game do you like to play?
I like to hide and seek.
Good. How often do you play this game? I play
Every week.
All right, I play it every week. Very good. What should you do to win the game?
To win the game, you should find everyone.
Yes, that's right. Perfectly said, Van. Job well done. Now, Van, let's continue. Oh, we have this. Okay, I like to play hide and seek because
I like to play badminton.
Yes,
because it is fun.
Yes, badminton is a fun game. Thank you for sharing that, Van. Very good. Now, Van, we are almost done in our lesson. Now, let's review. Let's review what we've learned today. Keywords.
Keywords, racket, cheat. Lose, correct.
Correct. Very good.
Over and over again.
The ball.
The balls fall off over and over again, making the kids run back and forth.
Yes. Whoa, Van. That's perfect. Great job today, Van. Job well done. Okay, let me give you your trophy and your medal. Let me give you one here. You get a trophy, a medal, and another star from teacher. Van, you did a wonderful job today. Great job in answering all our activities. You are an outstanding student. Bye for now, Van. Thank you so much. Be happy, be good, be safe. Bye-bye.